Hi, little girl. Little Chloe girl. Hi, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Does someone have a poopy diaper? You smell like you might. Well, the hearts are still there. Oh, bless you. Bless you, little girl. God bless you. You hungry? You just got through eating. Oh, bless you. Are you cold? Give me some more blankie here. Say hi, Chloe. Say hi. Nope. Said I'd rather just chew on my fingers. I'd rather just chew on my fingers. I think it's time for Chloe to have a little midnight snack. Alright, say bye. Wave bye. Say bye-bye.